Imagine this. You're ready to buy your dream home. You've been saving, planning, and finally, the moment has arrived. But then you're faced with a challenge, a maze of paperwork, jargon, and numbers that seem to go on forever. It's overwhelming. This is where a loan officer steps in, someone like Anthony Cerulli, a senior loan officer with American Financial Network, Inc. Anthony isn't just about crunching numbers. He's your guide through the complex lending landscape, helping you find the best path to your financial goals. In this video, we're diving into the crucial role of a loan officer, often called a loan originator, in the lending process. Whether you're buying your first home or looking to invest, understanding what a loan officer does can make a world of difference. Let's uncover why choosing the right person for this job can make your loan experience not only easier, but more successful. Think of a loan officer as your personal bridge between you and the banks. To make sure you get across to the other side, the side where you get the keys to your new home, they'll guide you through the maze of options, explain what different loans mean, and help you avoid common pitfalls that could delay or even derail your approval. For example, did you know that one of the most common reasons loans get denied is due to inaccuracies on the initial application? That's why having a knowledgeable loan officer, like Anthony Cerulli, matters. They ensure that your application is accurate from the start, increasing the chances of approval. A loan officer's expertise is crucial when navigating the specific requirements of different loans. Be it conventional, VA, or FHA, each loan type has its own guidelines, and a skilled loan officer knows them inside and out. This means fewer surprises, smoother paperwork, and clearer communication. It's like having a seasoned tour guide who knows every shortcut and hidden gem. Take VA loans, for example. They offer great benefits to veterans, like zero down payments and no private mortgage insurance. But they also have unique eligibility requirements. A good loan officer understands these nuances and can quickly identify whether a VA loan is the right fit for you, or if another type might serve you better. Here's a little secret that most borrowers don't see: the relationship between loan officers and underwriters. While you, as the borrower, are focusing on paperwork and loan options, behind the scenes, loan officers are working closely with underwriters to get your application approved. If any questions or red flags pop up, it's the loan officer's job to smooth things over and advocate for you. Imagine having someone in your corner who knows how to communicate with the decision makers. This is where a loan officer's skill really shines. They make sure that every detail is addressed, every document is accurate, and every deadline is met. Anthony Cerulli, for example, takes pride in maintaining that open line of communication, ensuring that his clients have the best possible chance at approval. Now here's the flip side. Inexperienced loan officers, or worse, unqualified ones, can lead to major headaches. Mistakes in the paperwork, miscommunication with underwriters, or a lack of understanding of specific lender requirements can result in delays, higher costs, or even loan denial. The stakes are high, and you deserve someone who knows exactly what they're doing. A staggering number of online applications are filled out incorrectly. This often leads to frustration, denials, or multiple applications that can damage your credit score. A dedicated loan officer like Anthony will not only help you get it right the first time, but will also keep you informed and engaged throughout the process, reducing stress and saving time. So how do you find the right loan officer? Start with experience and qualifications. A professional with years in the industry, a deep understanding of different loan products, and a track record of successful applications is a great sign. Consider someone like Anthony Cerulli, whose expertise spans various loan types, ensuring that you have all the options laid out before you make a decision. Personal referrals are also invaluable. Friends, family, or online reviews can give you a real sense of how a loan officer operates. Look for someone who takes the time to understand your unique financial situation, answers your questions clearly, and doesn't pressure you into decisions. A great loan officer doesn't just handle paperwork, they communicate. They break down complex terms into language you can understand. They set clear expectations about what you'll need at each stage, and they're there to answer your calls when you're anxious about the next step. It's this level of personal connection and guidance that separates a good loan officer from a great one. For example, let's say you're worried about a possible hiccup in your credit report. A dedicated loan officer will address it head-on, providing you with actionable steps to improve your chances of approval. They'll make sure you're never left wondering what's happening with your application, keeping you in the loop every step of the way. By now, you should have a clearer picture of what a loan officer does and why their role is so vital. The right loan officer can not only make your borrowing experience smoother, but also empower you to make informed financial decisions. They're there to advocate for you, communicate clearly, and ensure you secure the best terms for your unique situation. If you're looking for a loan officer who's dedicated, knowledgeable, and truly committed to making the lending process seamless, you might want to reach out to Anthony Cerulli at American Financial Network, Inc. His email is acerulli@afncorp.com, and he's ready to help you navigate this journey with confidence. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, happy house hunting, and remember, choosing the right loan officer is a step towards a brighter financial future.